Alright, Christian, I'm from Milwaukee. Hey, so right here I got 4 M's. 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the back.
What kind of car is this? What year is it?
It's a 90. It's a 2006 Toyota Matrix. I got 412 and 215 fast. Let's go and for it. So, right here, we represent the good feathers tattoo. Right here, good feathers tattoo. Good feathers tattoo.
It's upside down.
Okay.
Next time.
All right.
Thanks, bro.
All right, yeah.
Thanks, bro.